insane returns, 1200%. I just made over 125% profit. Guys, that's how you make money. We trade in group. Trade recap today is Paribus. If you guys remember, we trade Paribus probably 7 months ago. We made a good trade, and Paribus we made again 70% profit. Matrix AI Network, almost 100%. IndiGG, Arc, FreshCut. Guys, only Arc and FreshCut Diamond, we made over 900%. Let me show how it's done. Arc, I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago on December 10. We bought this coin for 26 cents and you put a sell order right here at $1.50. 480% profit, guys. That's insane returns. FreshCut Diamond, guys. Another insane return, 450%. I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago. Bought this coin for 0.018 and you put a sell order right here at 10 cents. 450%. I made $45,000 in this trade, guys. I always mention in my videos, in order to find those trades, my software calculates volume spike plus buyer power. And the buyer power works happen right here. A lot of people don't see it because my software is tracking the market 3,000 coin every 15 minutes. So the combination with volume spike plus buyer power. I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to receive my trades and copy, make the same profits I do. Feel free to reach me out. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Let's trade together. Together we are strong, guys. One more time. Was Arc and FreshCut Diamond. Let me see if I can show you what I was looking for here. It was a single pump, guys. Right here. You see those pumps here? This is a volume spike. You don't see this volume spike on regular charts because I use at 15 minutes chart, so you might use a 1 daily chart. So those pumps happen anytime. And I share all my trades in the private list. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.